Welcome to this tutorial on manually tagging documents in SmartVault. This video will walk you through the process of tagging a document so you can unlock powerful features like SmartRequestAI and bulk send files. Let's get started. Let's say you're working in the connected desktop, and you've just dragged and dropped a document into your client's tax returns folder, or your client just uploaded their 1040. And now you want to manually tag this document as the client copy of a tax return. We can do this from the online portal at my.smartvault.com. Here's a helpful tip. If you right-click on the document and select Open in Portal, that's a quick shortcut to open that particular document. Once you click that, you'll be directed to the SmartVault Online Portal. You'll need to log in with your secure password. Now you're logged into the portal. You can see a preview of your document here on the screen. If you're looking at the document from the folder view, look for the ellipses to the right of the document name. Click there, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Properties. The Properties panel will open, and at the top, you'll see an option called File Tag. If the document is already tagged, you'll see the current tag displayed here. If it's not tagged yet, the field will be empty and ready for you to add a tag from the drop-down. You'll notice there are quite a few tagging options available. However, here's an important point to remember. The tag will only apply correctly if that tag also exists in the folder's template. So if you've customized your folder templates, the appropriate tags may be different from what you are seeing here. For this example, we're selecting Client Copy of a Tax Return from the dropdown. Once you've selected the correct tag, click the Apply Tag button. Your document is now properly tagged. You can check to make sure your folder actually has the correct tags configured in your settings. First, click on your initials in the top right corner of the screen and go to Settings. If you're an admin user, you'll see an option to Manage Folder Templates. Click on that option. In this example, we're looking at the Tax Engagement folder template. Click the pencil icon to the right of it to edit it. Next, locate the gear icon to the right of the specific folder where you want to apply tags. Click on that gear icon and select Edit from the menu. At the bottom, you will see the section labeled Documents Stored in this folder. This shows you all the tags that can be applied properly to documents within this folder. In this case, we can see Client Copy of a Tax Return is one of the available tags. This is the tag we used earlier, so we know it will apply properly. If you are curious if your document already has a tag on it, say after printing from your tax software or using the autofiler, you can use the same method to check. Once the portal opens, I'll click the ellipses menu again and select Properties and navigate to the File Tag tab. And there we have it. The file tag now shows Client Copy of a Tax Return. Following this method ensures that the document is successfully tagged, which will unlock features within SmartVault like bulk send files and SmartRequestAI. Thanks for watching.